Okay, I've started messing with this master lock here, and I've never picked a lock before in my life, and I come out here just a little, 4 or 5 minutes. You can make these tools, and this is boron carbide, so it's really hard to cut, and I've probably been locking and unlocking this thing for 10 minutes, maybe, something like that. First time I've ever picked one in my life, and let's just see how it goes. And I'm by no means a professional, and that's pretty much it. It's really kind of scary how unsecure these locks are. And as you can see, it's open, and just this right here. And this little tool right here. Like I said, I've never picked a lock before in my life, and when I first started messing with this lock here, I like to fell over how easy it was. This lock is what I use to lock up my building, and that's kind of scary. I mean, I unlocked this thing, never even felt any pins or anything, felt what you're supposed to feel for or anything before, and come out here and I unlocked this one first go, probably less than 2 minutes. And as you can see right there, with just very little know-how, it don't take but 30 seconds. So when you go spending, I think these locks are like $20, $25, something like that. That's really pretty pathetic. Let me know what y'all think.